The VEST APX System garment will be shipped to you in 2 pieces. Follow these steps to assemble the vest garment for sizes 19 to 23 inches. Place the outer garment and the inflatable bladder on a flat surface. Open the zipper at the bottom of the outer garment. Put the inflatable bladder into the outer garment. Be sure you push the edges of the bladder out so it lies completely flat inside the outer garment. Put the air hose ports through the air hose port openings of the outer garment and make sure they are held securely in place. Press the 6 snap-on buttons to attach the bladder to the outer garment. Close the zipper at the bottom of the outer garment. To begin the fitting process, put the garment on so that the air hose ports are in the front. Place the sizing strip in the correct location on the sizing panel based on the patient's chest circumference. Place the middle flap next to the sizing strip on the sizing panel. Make sure that the middle flap is aligned next to the sizing strip. Place the outer flap over the middle flap. Adjust the shoulder straps so that the armholes fit snugly. You'll know the garment fits properly if you can slide a flat hand between the garment and body before the garment is inflated.